World expos have been a stage for human progress, yet have been built on a repeating cycle of construction and demolition. For the future of our planet, construction itself must be reimagined.
We have two clients, and the stage was the World Expo. From an advertising perspective, it was a very complex situation. Bringing multiple voices into a single, powerful message was no easy task. But we were fortunate, as both companies share the same core, the fundamental elements of water and air. Our story traces the memory of water and air throughout the 4 billion years of circulating across the Earth.
Rather than constructing a building, we selected a stretch of shoreline no one had paid attention to and made it our stage.
We chose water and air as the only media for delivering sound and visuals. All equipment was rented, and everything was designed to minimize waste.